Hi, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Did you try to make clay?
I didn't try, madam, but I had it.
Okay, very nice. I made it right now.
You made it, ma'am. But I have a question that this is wheat flour, right?
Yeah.
Will it stay for longer time?
We can keep it for 5 days. Okay,
For
and
5 days?
yeah, if you wrap it in a
Because
polythene or maybe with
I
a
tried
box,
with this clay. My daughter is putting in mouth, so I'm afraid whether I can.
it is
So I will
eatable.
prepare this clay only.
It is eatable also. It has only so salt is there like preservative. It will work as a preservative. Salt. We have put more salt, so we can keep it. Use it for four
The
five
whole
days.
day is passing like I can't imagine. Also,
Right.
I took her admission, ma'am, in Chubby Chicks.
Okay.
Uh, they will take half an hour session, and others they will give at home as her homework.
So that is why, and that is
At
what I
least
am
she will
also
put it
planning
one
to
place,
do.
ma'am.
Maybe वही plan कर रही
And
हूँ.
when you plan to do, just inform me,
Yeah. I'm that
because
is
I
my
have done
next
only
session.
2 months for her.
Okay.
Because this, I don't think so. In September also the schools will start.
It will not. So for the
This
whole
whole
year,
year is
I'm just trying to I'll keep it a homeschooling kind of thing. I'll guide the parents and I'll give the work also on daily basis, like what is to be done, even the assessment and what we can accept from a child. कि वो कितने टाइम में उसको कितना आना चाहिए and where he is lacking
एक्चुअली
so
मैम
that we
ये
can
सेशन है
help.
ना बहुत अच्छा है. एटलीस्ट हम अपना ये जो डिप्रेशन और ये है ना उससे बाहर निकल सकते हैं, कुछ सीख सकते हैं.
Right.
क्योंकि
So
अगर कोई हमें गाइड करने वाला नहीं होता है ना, हमें आता है ना, तो भी हम नहीं कर
भी
सकते
नहीं
हैं,
करते वो ट्राई नहीं करते ना because we don't know how
ट्राई ही
to
नहीं कर
solve
सकते.
these things. Yes. ये मेरा ट्रायल ही था कि
मैं
देखते
मैं
हैं कि
अपनी
व्हाट
बेटी
इज
को
वी
पढ़ा
कैन
सकती हूँ, पर
डू.
उसको जब तक बाहर से कोई प्रेशर नहीं आएगा ना, वो नहीं बैठेगी.
अपने ऊपर भी प्रेशर नहीं होता तो वी आर आल्सो लाइक रिलैक्स कि चलो कुछ नहीं है कुछ नहीं है बट इफ
और
देयर इज
मुझे क्या
समथिंग
है,
टू डू.
होम स्कूलिंग करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर मेरा एटीट्यूड क्या है, हाँ अभी मुझे थोड़ा काम है ना, वो खत्म कर लूँ, उसके
हाँ
बाद उसको
भाई
करवाऊंगी, तब उसका सोने का
प्रायोरिटी
टाइम.
प्रायोरिटीज चेंज हो जाती है फिर मदर्स भी थक जाते हैं
यस.
तो बोलते हैं चलो कल कर लेंगे तो इट गोज ऑन पोस्टपोनिंग. बट ये कि थोड़ा सा हमको इस चीज को प्रायोरिटी देनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि बच्चे अभी जो टाइम है अगर वो चला गया देन वी कैन नॉट ब्रिंग इट बैक. तो जो
एक्चुअली दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम आपकी आपकी क्रिएटिविटी बाहर लाने के लिए. ऐसा टाइम फिर से नहीं मिलेगा.
एंड व्हाट आई बिलीव कि घर के काम तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होते हैं. इट इज
सीरियसली
नेवर
मैम,
नेवर
आप
एंडिंग.
जितना करो ना
So
उतना ज्यादा
I
बढ़ ही जाते हैं,
I always leave my
कभी
homework,
उस पे
but
फुल
I
स्टॉप
just
नहीं होता है.
see हाँ वो that is household work मेरे सबसे लास्ट में होते हैं won't believe. That is the least
मैम
priority
आप,
for
मुझे
me.
मेल नहीं आया उसका.
You just try it once more. I received the mail also and I downloaded the books also. To
ग्रेट.
see this.
मुझे नहीं आया. मैं एक्चुअली है ना,
I'll forward
मेरे
you.
पास
Don't worry.
लैपटॉप नहीं है अभी.
ठीक है. And whatever
लैपटॉप
you
बिगड़
wish
गया है,
to.
तो आज ही हस्बैंड है ना दूसरा लैपटॉप लेने जा रहा है, वो आएगा, मैं पहले वो करूंगी.
अगर कुछ हो तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा. I'll download it and then I'll mail it to you. No problem.
या श्योर.
ठीक है. I'll try to send you that mail also if you
ये
can download from
ये
that.
सब भी बहुत चल रहा है मैम, बहुत अच्छा अच्छा मिल रहा है हमें. वो टीचर्स भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
टीचर्स पे इट इज वेरी गुड. चल रहा है उसमें भी.
उसमें ना
अभी
क्रिएटिव
ट्विंकल.
ये वर्कशीट्स भी आती है, और ये सब प्लानर्स भी आते हैं.
राइट. ट्विंकल आल्सो यू कैन ट्राई. दैट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड. इसमें भी बहुत सारे
विच
वर्कशीट्स पेज
मैम
दिखाते हैं.
ट्विंकल नहीं होता है डाउनलोड, मैंने ट्राई किया, यहाँ पे नहीं होता है.
Now it is free. Now it is giving for free so many worksheets. Yesterday only I
यहाँ पे
downloaded
नहीं
so
होता
much.
है.
Is it? But why should be?
यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ये स्काइप स्काइप बैंड है, फेसबुक
हेलो
मैसेंजर
मैम,
बैंड है, व्हाट्सएप
गुड
कॉल
Hello,
बैंड है,
आफ्टरनून।
सब
ma'am.
कुछ बैंड।
Good afternoon.
हेलो पूजा मैम,
हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन।
हाउस
आरती
योर
मैडम के
डॉटर?
साथ साथ आरती मैडम के साथ साथ पूजा मैडम से भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है।
अरे नहीं यार, मैं
Right.
कुछ नहीं
थैंक यू पूजा
सिखाती।
मैम।
अच्छी मैम. Seriously.
मैम, I will take the story session. Huh?
Sure, ma'am. I'll
I
take it
I
on.
will you tell me a story or I will select.
I told you if it is possible, you take that one. No, my mouth
Which
is
one?
a volcano. Did you see
My
that?
mouth is a volcano. Okay, okay, I will see.
So yeah, we can find it on the YouTube and then we can narrate it
Okay.
in our words. On the YouTube, it is entirely there. The narration is there, so you can understand. Okay, it is very good for developing that turns and for develop patience.
Hi, Ke? Hi, Ke? Hi, ma'am. You okay?
Hi.
Hi. આમાં પાણી નથી બનાતે.
Hello.
Ma'am, I will just come in a minute.
Sure. Hi, Amma ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm still waiting for the participants to join.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello to everyone.
Everyone is on mute.
Huh.
They didn't reply you. They're just listening. Anyone tried homemade dough? Dolly ma'am, did you make it? Oh, I also made it.
For orange color, what did you use, ma'am?
It's food color.
Food color.
On this Holi also, I made homemade colors for Holi.
Great.
Same
Yeah, I
Ma'am,
color,
you
saw
are
the
very
video.
creative.
only with that corn flour, na? Corn flour. You see
Corn
food
flour.
colors only. Wait. And food colors. They were really nice.
You have all
very
the food
strong.
colors at home?
Not all. I got only 2, 3. Green I have and this orange. Me too. I just
Hi,
come in a
ma'am.
minute. Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Hi.
I'm coming. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Unable to hear beta. क्या हो रहा है? Once get क्या network नहीं आता. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello, hi, ma'am.
Hi. Shall we start now?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you all are ready with your dough which you have prepared at home. Okay. And
आवाज आ रही है हल्की हल्की सी.
can you all hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yes.
So today we have Abha ma'am with us, and I would like to welcome Abha ma'am. She is ma'am. Please wait so
She's
that
the same
everyone.
whose video you sent, right?
Yes, she's the one who's.
Hi, Abha
video
ma'am.
is, and she's the principal at the Kids Foundation International School Indore.
Hi.
Okay, and thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us and giving your valuable time to us. And we hope to learn a lot from you.
आरती मैम.
Yes,
Mute.
I'll mute.
Ma'am, mute है ma'am.
Yeah, I'll mute. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Welcome, Abha ma'am. And thank you so much for giving your time. And we are looking forward to learn so many things from you. Now, I'll hand over to Abha ma'am. She'll continue with our session.
Hi everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
First, I would like to thank Aarti ma'am. Aarti ma'am, pleasure is all mine for giving me this beautiful opportunity to connect so many mothers, and I can share whatever I have learned during the 23 years with the children. A little one small activity like with the Play-Doh. Yesterday, I think, am I audible to all?
Yes.
Give me thumbs up if I'm audible, please. Okay. Play-Doh, you must have made Play-Doh at home, and I'm also with my Play-Doh. I want to show you my colors and all the things which I made. These are my Play-Doh colors which I made. Actually we can do with the colors. Already I have told that बच्चों के लिए safe आप homemade home के लिए जो घर के लिए kitchen में आप use करते हैं उनको edible colors को use कर सकते हैं, but अभी presently मेरे पास नहीं थे, so I have used acrylic colors in this Play-Doh and I have made variations of the colors. Okay, this is a very beautiful source by which we can work on many sort of developments of a child. First of all, the fine motor skills, as Aarti ma'am has already, I think many times she must have taken many activities related to the fine motor skills. That is the hand muscles development. When we give Play-Doh in the hands of the child will love to press it, feel it. Okay, so that in this way, when the child start feeling the Play-Doh, the muscles of the whole hands work on this. And now today we are going to learn many different activities. I'm going to share a lot of activities with you that how we can make use of Play-Doh for the children. First of all, I would like to share a very small activity. Like if you want to introduce any alphabet to the child, so you can give Play-Doh and draw a shape of the alphabet, and on which the child can easily roll on the hard base. Any hard base, the child can easily roll the Play-Doh. Can you see that easily the child can roll? Because my muscles are quite grown up, but the child's muscles are also easily they can help to grow make this thing. And well, if I want to introduce any shape, like suppose if I'm introducing C or any alphabet to the child can paste on that and can make grooves with the scale or whatever you can give and can feel it. The shape also, the sensorial is also going to work for that. So this way we can introduce, help them to learn and recognize the shapes and alphabets. And definitely, because as it is a playway method, children are going to have a wonderful time with this. Please let me know if you are able to understand what I mean to say. आप समझ पा रहे हैं? Aarti ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Not
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, if you have any problem, please you can unmute and speak. If you have any query also, please.
Okay.
Ma'am, one
First
query. Ma'am, one query. These acrylic
Yes, ma'am.
colors, are they safe for children?
No, not at all. They are not safe. I have told you कि मेरे घर में नहीं थे edible colors, so I have used, because there is no child in my house, so I have used it. But for the school purpose or for the home purpose, we should never use these colors. Always use like we have natural things like haldi.
Excuse me, ma'am, I can't see the
or you
screen.
can use.
Which screen?
Pardon?
Excuse ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Which screen you want to see?
I can't see the screen.
Are you on mobile? So
I
scroll
can't see.
it. If you're on mobile, you have to scroll.
Aarti ma'am, if she is on mobile, she has to pin to ma'am.
Okay, can you hear
Scroll
the
karo.
suggestions? You will have to scroll
Yes,
if you are
ma'am.
using your mobile, okay? आभा मैम थोड़ा सा स्लो पेस में बोलिए, थोड़ा सा, because your network I think is not supporting. So okay, that's okay. And please
Any other
unmute
queries?
yourself. Okay.
Anybody else want to, the first activity, is it clear to you? Let the child roll it and make long things, and they can, whatever the shape you can give them, they can paste on it and they can feel it and find out the recognition of the alphabet, shapes, whatever you want to give them. So this is a very beautiful activity for recognition part and the sensorial development also, and the fine muscles are also working on that. Are you clear with this activity? Shall we move to the second?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Abha ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes, hi ma'am, Vanika here. Ma'am, I wanted
Hi.
to ask, From when can we give the dough to the child? From which age group we should actually start with this?
Uh, from by the age of like when the child starts sitting, that time you can give like 9 months or 1 year, you can give easily the dough you can give, because child can feel it, no? The child will love, the child can take in the mouth. हमेशा पहला जो learning बच्चों का होता है sensorial development, वो through mouth होता है. First they want to taste or put the things in the mouth, so let them to do that also, because nothing is harm in that, because you are using edible colors, and the kitchen में से आपने आटा use किया है, नमक use किया है, and you can make it little bit sweet also if you want to make for the small children, because they don't understand whatever the taste you will give them, they will experience it. So easily you can give from the age once the child starts sitting, you can give Play-Doh in their hands. And gradually when they're grown up, they can roll it, they can make the circles with it, and they will enjoy.
Okay. Thank
Let's
you, ma'am.
proceed. Yeah, shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I proceed? Okay.
Yes.
Next activity, कि आपके kitchen में बच्चों को अगर आपने बेलन दिया है और ये, so they love to roll the things, so you can give the Play-Doh to them for rolling it, and you can give them the cutters, और जो आपके kitchen में है, lids हैं, कटोरी है, glasses है, you can give them to cut it. Okay, and ask them, they are just telling them they are making cookies, and they can decorate their cookies also with the help of grains. I'm showing you the thing that how they can do. Paste the grains on the different shapes of cookies which they are. The grains, when they are going to pick the grains, the pencil activity is going to develop, like pencil muscles by which they are going to helpful for them for writing. So 3 muscles of the fingers, whenever they want to pick any small things, they have to use these 3 muscles, which are going to be helpful for the later on for the writing purpose. So the children are going to will be occupied when you give them such activities. Cut the cookies of your own choice shapes, decorate your cookies. They will spend lot of time, they will love to sit on one place. And the beautiful one activity with the Play-Doh, we can calm down the children, those who are very hyper also, you can give the Play-Doh to them, they can sit on one place, they can play with them, they can show their creativity and imagination also. Like when you allow them to play with the Play-Doh, उनका कभी elephant बनकर आपके सामने आएगा, maybe it may be something different, you cannot able to find out the elephant in that, but according to the imagination of the child, the elephant can be there. So this way we can help them to enhance their creativity and imagination also. One more activity I would like to share with you. The children are very small, like of the age 2 or like that, you can give them, like I have made an alphabet. Can you able to see the dots on the alphabet? So we can give the Play-Doh to the child, and child is going to roll it. Child is going to roll it and paste on the circles which I have made and press it one by one. Ask the child to press it. This way the child can make the whole picture or the alphabet which I am giving. You have to give some glue or like that, so the child can able to paste it properly, and child can give the impressions also on this with the like lid of any game or anything. We can make impressions also. Again the fine motor's development and the pre-writing development of is going to help. Very beautiful. One more activity. Any doubts, anything you want to ask so that I can proceed? Are you liking? Should I share more?
Yes.
Anyone, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Are you all getting?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am, please
Are
go
you
ahead.
making activity? Should I proceed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, please proceed.
Okay, okay, fine. One beautiful activities we can, when we introduce shapes to the children, you know, when the child is of age 3, shapes तो हम बहुत पहले से उन्हें introduce कर देते हैं, like at the age of घर पे भी आप अगर बच्चा छोटा है तो with the flashcard you can start with the month of 6, you can start to show the flashcard to the child can able to recognize the shapes. But when the child is of age 3, we can ask the child to find out the like how many sides are there in a triangle. Can you see this picture I have made? 3 dots I have made, and with the stick like a line I have joined this. So we can give such figures to the children, and they can make with the help of toothpick. They will try to copy the shapes. Like they can insert this thing. आप भी बना सकते हैं if you are having the stuff with you right now. You can also make the shapes which I am making. Can you see the shape?
Yes, ma'am.
This way the child can able to find out how many sides the shape is having by filling it 1, 2, 3. Easily the child can find out the sides of the picture figure. And if the child is little bit grown up, we can teach the child of the vertex also. Like when the 2 lines join, the point is called vertex. So how many vertices are there? Vertices are there in this figure. This picture 1, 2, 3. Child can easily count them, and like that we can give different shapes to the child. And sometimes we can give letters also, like A, L, whatever the letters which can be made by the line concept, like H we can give N, L, T. They can easily make with this concept. These shapes we can give them. Such shapes we can draw and allow them to play with the Play-Doh and the toothpick so that easily they can make the shapes. If child is little bit more grown up, we can introduce them 3D shapes also with this help of this. Suppose I have made this triangle. I can make this figure as a 3D also by adding more like टूथपिक्स एंड मोर बॉल्स. आप भी ट्राई करके देखिए कैसे. I have made this figure, this picture. आप देख रहे हैं ये शेप्स 3D बन गया है, और इसको और एनहांस करके हम बहुत सारी साइड्स बना सकते हैं इसमें. Like this a big figure can be made, और बच्चे इसमें से sides हम उन्हें पूछ सकते हैं कि how many sides and how many triangles you can see in this figure, and then children are able to find out like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles are there, but how many vertices are there? So child will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Only 5 vertices and 6 sides, 6 triangles are there. And then we can ask them for the sides also, so that they can have count the sides also for that. And छोटे बच्चों को भी आप बहुत अच्छे से किसी भी shape के sizes, कितने sides हैं, we can teach them very easily, and they will love to play with this Play-Doh. Any questions you are having? Am I मतलब clear? आपको activities हो पाई?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Very nice
Okay.
activities.
Very nice.
आप पूछना so that I can like many other options can be there. आपके पास भी ideas होंगे इससे करने के लिए. अगर बच्चे थोड़े बड़े हैं तो we can divert them towards the creativity also. Like we can help them to make the shapes, different shapes. Like if the child can make the circle, the child can able to make the drop-like shape also. Drop-like shape also, and ask the child to press it from the center, it will look like a pattern. So one by after other, the child can press and make a flower-like figure, or a beautiful rose flower also the children can easily make. If you help them to do that, they can just roll it.
Wow.
So this way, the children can may show their creativity, but allow them. Nothing is harm to give this thing. So बच्चों को आप दे सकते हैं, and these are very much useful for the fine motors, pre-writing skills development, and to calm the children. Those are very hyper also. Allow them to sit with the Play-Doh. They will show you their creativity also, and sometimes. Like the children have anxiety for things, no? So in that way also we can allow them to sit and do the activity. So like that the children will show you their activity, their creativity.
Exactly. Yeah. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. Anything else? And the shapes and the alphabets, the child can roll and paste it and feel it. The sensorial part also and recognition, easily the child can recognize the shape and the alphabet and the numbers, whatever you want to introduce to them, that in that it is going to help. If you are introducing any shapes to them, like as I shown कि बच्चे को अगर heart shape बता रहे हैं तो make a heart shape cookie, decorate your cookie, and when they are doing so pencil development working, and इस तरीके की grains से खेलना बच्चों को अगर आप allow करेंगे तो they will love to do that. And they can sit on one place. जो मम्मा का एक प्रॉब्लम होता है कि बच्चा तो पूरे टाइम घूमता रहता है, एक जगह नहीं बैठ पाता है. So we can engage them with such activity. They can sit on one place, और तब तक आप अपना एक काम कर सकती हैं. If you are busy in the kitchen, you can give them the आप जो रोटी बना रही हैं उसी आटे को आप दे दीजिए. They will love to roll. They will love to play with that. They can make their cookies. They can make their different shapes. They can make their show you, Mama देखो मैंने ये क्या बनाया. So please allow them to do all these things. They are very good activities for their development.
Very well. Thank you so much, Ava ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anything anyone wants to ask me?
Anyone, if you have any queries, please, you are free to ask.
No, ma'am.
I would like to thank
I
Ava
think
ma'am.
I'm
Thank you
not
so
so
much.
interactive.
No,
Aarti
it's
ma'am,
for the
I
first
find
time.
आरती मैम आई एम थिंकिंग कि शायद सब लोग मेरे साथ कंफर्टेबल नहीं हुए हैं, एंड आई डोंट नो वेदर दे आर लाइक my activities or not. I don't know about it, so I want to know your like whatever the
Respond everyone.
feedback you want to give.
No, ma'am. The session
Superb.
was the session was wonderful.
No, ma'am, nothing like that.
It was really nice.
Yes, ma'am.
very
It
nice,
was
ma'am.
very nice session.
You
I
please
really
send
liked it.
the pictures.
My daughter started this.
I want to
Started
say
doing
something right now. One thing I want to say, let me
Yes, ma'am.
say, अगर आपको इसमें से कोई भी एक्टिविटी अच्छी लगी है, allow your child to do that activity and send the photographs to Aarti ma'am, send the videos to Aarti ma'am. She is going to share with me, so I come to know कि आपको पसंद आया.
Ma'am, you are also in
thank
the
you.
group. I have added you in the group, so they are sharing in the group only everything, so you would be able to see.
Okay,
You
very
will get the
good. I
feedback.
can also see you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for your valuable time and for sharing your experiences with us. And
Thank you so much.
Bye, Karo ma'am.
बाय करो मैम। अच्छे से
Anyone,
करो,
any more
स्ट्रेट में जाना,
queries
अच्छे
do
से
you
करो।
have?
No, ma'am. No
It
query.
is also very good activity. Like if you give them
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the smaller ones, they will love to do work with it. And please do not go for the perfection in all these things. They are just playing and learning on their own. So let them do as long as they want to do. It is not our wish that when we want only then they should do. It is whenever they want to give them. So and you can make them to sit near you. You can complete your work, your household work wherever you are. Just make them sit and do it along with you. So when they're sitting near you, they feel comfortable and secured also, and they will not trouble you in doing your own work. Okay, they'll be busy in their work and you will be busy in your work, and you both can work together. So don't go कि अच्छा नहीं है ये perfection
Aarti ma'am, I would
नहीं है.
like.
Yes ma'am, please.
Aarti ma'am, I want to say, as madam said, allow them to sit. Means अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं तो बच्चों को दे दीजिए. बट एक चीज मत दीजिएगा, अगर आपके ऑब्जर्वेशन में है तभी दीजिएगा. The small grains which I have taught you right now. अभी जो आपको दिया है वो एक्टिविटी आपकी प्रेजेंस में आप कराइए बच्चों से, because they can put in their nose, they can put anywhere. So be careful while doing that activity. That should be in your observation only. Rest of the activities you can freely allow them to do. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Any more questions? Please try this at home. Your children will really love it. And
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
play 3D models also when they are. Even if you want to tell a storytelling, if you want to tell them a story, you can prepare the characters if you don't have puppets at home. I used to do it in my class. If any animal is not available, so I have to make it with the clay, and then we try to go for the story. So, and they also develop this, like we can work with the same thing in different manner. We can create so many things using only single thing. Okay, so their imagination increases, their the ideas, they can develop the ideas, they can create their own ideas. So it helps in the fostering the creativity also in the children. So let them allow like to do the way work the way they want to work. Okay, it's okay. Whatever they make, they are learning something. So don't worry at all. They will show you. They will reflect their learning at one day, and when you see, you will be surprised. So don't expect anything. Just let them do. Let them learn. Let them explore. And believe me, you will be surprised when they really share their own experiences with you, which we never expect. That comes beyond. Okay, what we expect it is beyond that which they show and which they can show. So we have to give them time and freedom to work with all these things, with any of the material, whatever the activities we are doing. Let them do as long as they want to. That is more required. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. That's all for today.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Ava ma'am, once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
And you all are free
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
share if you want to share anything. All right. Okay, chaliye. Bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye.
Thank you.
Bye, bye, Swati.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Bye.